This is our first video to start with Arduino projects. In this video, we will learn how to use Arduino to control an LED. So stay tuned and don't go away. And if you are new to my channel, then please like and subscribe to my channel to get my upcoming videos on Arduino projects. LED or light emitting diode that look like this and represented by the symbol is the type of diode which emits light when you apply voltage across its leads. One of its lead will be longer than the other one. The longer lead with shorter head is called positive or anode. Similarly, the shorter lead with larger head is called negative or cathode. Now without wasting more time, move to Arduino code first. And if you are new to programming field, then keep yourself as simple as you can. Let's start coding. Open your Arduino IDE, then press Ctrl plus N to open new sketch. And if you don't know anything about Arduino IDE or sketch, then you can watch my previous video on Arduino IDE. I have given the link of the video in the description. Moving back to the code. First, make a variable. You can name it anything. I'm naming it LED and assign any pin of your Arduino to it. I am assigning pin 13 to it. In the setup body, declare this variable pin as output pin. Using pin mode function, you can declare your pin as output pin. It means you will get your output at this pin. Now in the loop body, simply type digital write with W capital, LED high, all capital, delay 1000 millisecond. Again type digital write with W capital, LED, then all capital, low. Then again type delay 1000 millisecond. Digital write is the function to make any pin high or low logically. Delay function is used to give delay to your program. It means your program has to wait until moving on to the next line of code. 1000 means 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second. And that's enough for a coding site. Moving to the circuit. Components you need for this project are Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires male to male, 330 resistor, and LED. Now connect your circuit as per instruction. Connect pin 13 of your Arduino board to the longer lead of LED. Now connect ground pin of your Arduino board to the negative rail of the breadboard. Connect one end of the 330 resistor to the negative rail of the breadboard. Connect other end of the resistor to the shorter lead of the LED. And that's it. Now connect your Arduino board with your laptop as shown. Now open your Arduino IDE again, go to Tool, Board and select your board that you are using for this project. I'm using Arduino Uno and will select it. Again Tool, choose port number and click on the available port and click on the upload button and your sketch will start uploading. And that's our output. Hope you have liked the video, and if you did, then don't forget to press like and subscribe button to get notification of my upcoming videos. And thanks for watching.